Live, severe, heavy, aggressive, heavy rainstorm. Woking town. Weather forecast, UK 25. Like this video, press the ones at the right side screen, type the remote and distance on the remote. It's approximately 23 minutes to 1700 PM in the afternoon, hour log. It's 23 minutes to 5 PM in the afternoon. It is. You name it, guys. April. The 15th, Tuesday afternoon, guys. 2025. You can see here on this radar scanner. Heavy aggressive rainstorm right now on this video. And the radar dolphin device as well. We've got the radar scanner on American accuracy. Very aggressive heavy rainstorm. This is coming from Woking town. This is tense, man. This is tense, man. Thumbs up the right side screen. Please believe my podcast. Please subscribe. I'll try to play together. Please subscribe. I'll try to